So this is just a leisurely cruise to see how the speaker's working out. Doing just under 60, it's only a 50k area, so nothing too strenuous. This is the way I probably travel to work. Bloody crap, because I've got cars queuing up behind me maybe. We'll see if we can fit between here. It was not too hard at all. Nice peak of the hill. Whoa, there's a nice bright sunshine. Heading out of summer here. Still really warm though. Well, really warm for New Zealand. There's a bit of a view of the bridges. Here in sunny Hamilton today. Time's approximately 6:45 p.m. We're gonna just go for a bit of a mosey around the city. There's a bus. Come on, car, you got a green arrow. Oh, he's gonna... good little whatever car driver. Yeah, you all thought I was going to say something else. Anyway, where's that little speed camera around there somewhere? There she is. Smile. Oh, here we go. Who's going to try kill me today? Nobody? That's good. Man, I've got to get some 3M tape. Oh, scooter. So, mirror adjustment clicked in, and back where we were. No point filtering. The car's going to beat the truck. I'm not in a hurry, and I always have a nosy. Doo-doo-doo. And that was so we've got another speed camera coming around here. And this one can clock my plate. So we're just doing just over 60, which is the speed.